I welcome all of you, and you are watching Yourpedia Education channel, which is dedicated for group tasks, group discussion, and interviews which we have prepared, and you get information related to all sort of interviews on this particular channel. Now, there is HPCL interviews going on nowadays, as you know. 10th November it will start, and they have sent you one document called Application for Employment, which is one of the very elaborate document I have seen. It's a very good document. And in my opinion, many questions can be framed on the basis of this document. It's a good document actually, and you have to spend time to write the things in this document about you, because I think the entire interview will be pulled in the direction of the what you have written over there. So you can expect that otherwise also HPCL may 70% of the interview normally is HR interview only. So there are so many things which you have to basically put in these forms, and they are going to ask you questions from there only. So one of the entry there is what is your biggest achievement till date? Why do you consider it to be your biggest achievement? So 200 words. Now many students are confused between what is the meaning of achievement. This achievement can be subjective. Now you need to think which achievement you find is the biggest. For some people, getting job is the biggest academic or professional achievement. For some people, helping somebody is the biggest achievement. For some people, getting scholarship is big achievement. So it is your subjective opinion. That is the reason he is saying, why do you consider it to be your biggest achievement? Why you consider that also you have to write. Now I consider the achievements in life in two categories. One, it can be personal achievement, another can be academic or professional achievement. So both the categories can be there. For example, if you get very high score, you got in graduation, let's say you got you were a gold medalist in graduation, that is your academic achievement. You can say that is your biggest achievement till date. Or getting some prestigious scholarship, or getting very high grade score, or getting interview call from HPCL, that can be your academic achievement. Personal achievement, friend pay, this sports achievement is also one achievement, right? If you think that you played in Ranji Trophy, or you were national player in this, that is your biggest achievement. But then they are going to ask you that if that is your achievement, then why did you not pursue career in that direction? We will prepare that answer. So don't hide anything which you want to write, or don't stop writing something only because you think question can be asked. Many students give this logic कि सर I did not write it because मेरे को दोस्तों ने बोला कि इसमें से तो बहुत क्वेश्चन अराइज हो जाएंगे, तो मैंने अपनी हॉबी चेंज कर ली. डोंट डू दैट. क्वेश्चन तो वैसे भी आएंगे, क्वेश्चंस आर गोइंग टू कम, यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर द आंसर्स फॉर दोस क्वेश्चंस, राइट? सो बी एज मच ऑनेस्ट एज पॉसिबल इन राइटिंग एंड इन द इंटरव्यू ऑल्सो. डोंट ब्लफ इन द इंटरव्यू बिकॉज दे विल कैच यू. अगर आपने हॉबीज, इंटरेस्ट अपना गलत बताया या आपने उसको गलत तरीके से प्रेजेंट किया, तो otherwise they are going to catch you. So you need to be as much honest as possible and as straightforward as possible. So achievements can be personal achievement, and these can be your professional achievement. So just to give you an example, personal achievement, let us say one day you were going on your bike or in your car, you were going somewhere otherwise, and you found that somebody is किसी का एक्सीडेंट हुआ है and is bleeding or something like that, और उसने आपने उसको उठाया, आप उसको हॉस्पिटल ले गए, and then you could save his life. This can be your personal achievement best because you saved somebody's life. कोविड सिचुएशन आई, कोविड में बहुत से लोग हेल्पलेस हो गए, घर उनके चले गए, and maybe you can say कि there was a migrant worker who was working in our area and then COVID आया, suddenly people started running, तो you could help him and his family survive for 2-3 months. आपने कैसे उनको सर्वाइव कराया, that can be your personal achievement. So anything you can mention. And why you think this is your greatest achievement? Because you could help somebody, you could help and save somebody's life. तो वो आपके लिए बहुत बड़ी achievement हो सकती है. That is your subjective opinion, but you have to justify that, right? And professional achievement भी हो सकता है, and दोनों को तुम mention कर सकते हो because there are 200 words. So you can mention both of them. You can say, okay, getting prestigious scholarship from Madhya Pradesh government during school is my or getting interview call from HPCL is my biggest achievement so far. Professional achievement. You can say that also. That's my biggest, what I consider is the biggest achievement for me till date is getting interview call from HPCL. Why? Because HPCL is my dream company and I am very close to get now this, and I consider it as my achievement. I have got it after a lot of effort and it is my biggest achievement. You can say that way. So whatever achievement you say, personal, professional, academic, you need to justify, you need to tell why you think it was your biggest achievement. And if you are in position to do that, you have done your job. So write it really well and do a lot of practice. He might ask you questions in that. and this is a very important document, which is what they call is employment, application for employment document. So prepare well. I'll keep on popping up and keep on telling you more about this particular form. Thank you.